Hello fam, happy to see you here again. In this quick video, we have this problem 21 to the power x minus 2 to the power x equals 437, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 437 into two numbers such as 23 times 19. Next, you are going to break down 23 into the summation of 21 plus 2 and express 19 as 21 minus 2. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 21 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for new uploads.